Industrial Award, the 7th edition, and right beside me, I am with one of our own, the greatest content creator in Idoma land. As you can see, he's here. He has been given an award tonight, and we are here to celebrate him. How do you feel tonight, Uncle Wowo?
I feel extremely happy. In short, I can't even quantify the joy that's in me right now for this very award. Thank you.
Okay, so we've seen that you've been doing a lot, especially what exactly happened to the school where you have a lot of pronunciation, fighting with words?
I don't get it, please.
I said, from your content, what actually attracted us is your teaching, your school, correcting words, making sure that all the alphabets are not being cheated. What happened? Because I see less of it now on social media.
In the industry, there are quite competitions, and what stands someone out is the unique area we look into. I decided to pick that line because I realized nobody was doing it, and then I decided to attempt it, and it became fun, and everybody celebrated it, and then they rallied around the concept, and it became great today and what it is.
Right, what will you say to the normal young guys out there trying to build up the way you started? What will you say to them, like a words of encouragement?
I'll tell them to be consistent and to face their hustle, be passionate about what they do. Success to me is doing what you love continually until you put money in your pocket. So if they definitely want to go far, they should continue doing what they love to do continuously until you put money in their pockets. I know there will be challenges. I know there will come a time where they'll feel like not going forward again. But I just want to encourage them. They should keep pushing. They should keep moving. Definitely one day will come. We'll celebrate them. They just be consistent in what they do.
Thank you. Can you give a shout out to Madam Peace TV?
Madam Peace TV, ladies and gentlemen, please support this channel. Anywhere, like, share, comment, anything you can do to rally around this channel, please support Madam Peace TV. One love.